Welcome to our latest video where we will be exploring the top 5 best smartwatches of 2024. In this digital era, a smartwatch is more than just a timepiece. It's your health consultant, your digital assistant, and your style statement. We have meticulously researched and compiled a list of the top 5 smartwatches that have taken the market by storm this year. Stay tuned till the end as we reveal a smartwatch that has a feature you wouldn't believe. For more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. Now, without further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 5. The Fitbit Versa 4 smartwatch. Number 4. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 smartwatch. Number 3. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 smartwatch. Number 2. The Garmin Venu Sq 2 smartwatch. Number 1. The Apple Watch Series 9 Smartwatch.